NASA started exploring the oceans in 1958 but stopped completely by 2014, shifting focus to space exploration. People wondered why the sudden change, but no answers surfaced until a NASA engineer, recently fired, spoke out. He revealed that NASA had explored 68% of our oceans and discovered something chilling. Near Hawaii, they found a deep underwater ravine, 50% deeper than the Mariana Trench. Using advanced submarines, they descended, encountering strange, oversized creatures unlike anything seen before. As they went deeper, they stumbled upon a massive cave. When they shined a light inside, a gigantic eye, the size of a house, stared back at them. Terrified, the crew immediately surfaced. The engineer leaked photos too shocking for the public. Is this why NASA suddenly abandoned ocean exploration? What did they really find? Some questions remain unanswered, leaving us to wonder what's still lurking in the unexplored depths.